gonna read another Pete the Cat story today. This one is Pete the Cat. I Love My White Shoes by Eric Litwin. Do you see Pete's shoes? He has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because he has 4 feet. All right, he's got his white shoes on. There he is. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. He loves his white shoes. Look, he's thinking about his white shoes. There's a heart. Loves shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of... What did he step in? Strawberries! What color did it turn his shoes? Let's see, the strawberries are there. They're red. His white shoes turned red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I wonder what song he sang next. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Whoa. His shoes are red. See anything else red? Let me see something red. Red car. Okay, Pete's gonna keep walking. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. Oh, what color did it turn his shoes? See the blueberries? Blueberries are blue. His shoes turned blue. Oh my. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Do you know what song he sang? Let's see. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Yeah, do you see something blue? His shoes, and what else? Let's look up. There's a blue umbrella. Pete the Cat is blue too. He kept walking. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. Oh boy. What color did it turn his shoes? Let's see. Oh, brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh boy, he's drinking something brown. wonder what that is. I think maybe it's hot cocoa. It could be coffee. All right, let's see what happens next. Oh no. Pete stepped in a bucket of water. Oh. And all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were Pete's shoes again? He washed all the colors off. They were white again. But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I wonder what he could be singing. What do you think he's singing about? I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. He loves his shoes no matter what. Squish, squish, squish. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Look, he's got one color of each, white and blue and brown and red. Keep singing your song because it's all good. Yay, Pete. That is a good story. Pete the cat. All right, that's the end. See you later.